I'm full.
I was just showing you.
Make me feel hungry again. Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, isn't it cute?
Yeah. Oh, okay. With the original wall. From 1800, you say? Wow. I like the lights.
I like the ceiling here.
Yeah.
That's like a drop ceiling, but fancier.
Mm-hmm. It's like a wall.
Yeah, this one right.
1804?
Yeah,
How many years is that?
222.
Wow.
222 years old.
So it's bicentennial. I heard something.
In the summer, they have tables out here too.
Mm.
Offset or whatever.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
To run, but they
The mill. Ah, okay. That's where the electricity comes from, right? Wow. Look how they just put the wood in there.
Goes up to the floor.
Yeah.
But yeah, they try to like reinforce it because those pillars start breaking. See how they
Yeah.
start to fall?
Yeah.
There's a walkway that goes all the way around up there.
Yup.
I'm trying to make a reservation on it.
We are in Garrettsville. Or else.
No, this other one. On this
Uh, what's that? Life won't sparkle unless you do. There's bright, shine bright. It's a cute little thing.
We have one right there.
What's that for?
A guy who, I don't know if he did it just to like, you know, make people talk about Jesus or whatever, but he went around, like quit his job at some point in time in his life and went around the whole United States putting those 3 crosses.
Oh, really?
All over.
The whole United States?
Yeah.
Wow.
I forget how many thousand there are that he put up while he was alive.
Wow.
And there's people.
Cabin restaurant.
Yep. We're gonna go this way instead of that way. Taking you on a tour.
Oh.
A tour today.
Yeah.
Used to be Geauga Lake. There used to be in SeaWorld. There used to be a big
SeaWorld.
amusement park in the SeaWorld right here.
Oh. Oh, what happened?
They
Oops, that's cute.
it closed down, and now they built all these houses all around the lake. How pretty.
What's that, mall?
No, it's like
Office.
they have hotel and
Oh, conference center.
conference center, yeah, and there's some restaurants in there. And then this is part of this development, like their little clubhouse with a pool and everything.
Wow. Oh, they have a tennis court.
Yeah,
They have their own community.
yeah. Now this
Only
is
for
the
rich
new
people.
stuff built. This is the new stuff.
Hmm.
No, not yet. Actually, those aren't the newest ones. Hold on, I'll show you.
Oh, there's big house in the back.
Yeah, those are apartment buildings back there. 3-bedroom. It was $3,000 a month.
Wow. You could buy a house, a big house like
I
that
know.
amount.
I was like,
Instead
who
of
would
renting.
live in an apartment building for shows, like where they would put on shows. But see all these new condos. This is what I'm talking about. How much?
Oh, so this is the one at 3,000 for a 3-bedroom.
Yeah,
Wow.
very expensive. And then there's the new Meyer store. See it?
Oh.
It's not open yet, but they're just there getting it ready. It opens in May.
Kind of big.
Yeah. Yep. Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
That's where I would be working right now.
I like the building though.
Yeah. This is the Truth for Life building right here. That's for my church too. They just built that a couple, maybe 5 years ago, maybe.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, it's a big church.
Yeah.
And there's a bookstore.
Oh yeah, it's big.
So pretty.
How many people come here every Sunday?
About 3,000.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's big. Yeah.
It goes all the way around.
Yeah.
I come on Sunday morning and then a lot of times Sunday night, and then on Tuesday night I come for a women's study that's in this big part right here. There's something always going on though. You see all these people.
Maybe for the children's,
Yeah.
like
Could be stuff like
study
that.
for.
And then there's a bookstore in this part right here, a big Christian bookstore. Yep. This is where it used to be the church part right here, and then they built on the front. They built the front on. And this whole side over here is all the children's side.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's big. Yeah, a lot of rooms.
Yeah, a lot. It's busy. Yeah, this whole area right here and all the way in there is all the kids' side. So on Sunday nights when I have to work in the nursery, I'm on this side. And then on Tuesday nights, I'm on the other side.
Wow.
Yep. I love my church.
Your mom also comes with you here?
No, just me.
Or just you?
Just me by myself.
But thank you for showing me your church.
You're welcome.
So big.
Yeah, it is. At first, when I started coming, I didn't know if I really liked it because it was so big.
Yeah. There's one too.
Lots of money.
Yeah. That means this area is expensive.
Yeah.
High developed. Oh, I like that house.
Ooh,
Like a
that's
cabin.
nice. Yeah. I'm going that way, not this way. What am I doing? My favorite most place. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I can't decide what's my favorite. I have lots of places I love.
You said you're
Oh,
the
it said to
smoky.
go straight.
It's a carved one.
Yeah. You'll find an eagle, a quiver of arrows, a rattlesnake, a woman flying away, a skeleton, a panther, a baby in a papoose, and a
Calumet?
calumet. Calumet. I don't know what that is.
Mm. Oh,
Down there in a little bit.
yeah. Oh, nice.
Down there.
Looks like a Hobbit. Hobbit movie. Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where the bad guy riding that horse.
Mm-hmm.
It looks this one like here.
Yeah.
The scenery.
Yeah.
That bridge.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Oh, she's trying to take a picture.
Oh,
Oh
I'm
no,
sorry.
it's okay.
You're okay. When you're down there taking a picture up.
I like this side because it's you can see the zigzag. Yeah.
There's more though.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that smells good.
Yeah.
Smells good, like pine.
Really?
Pine. Yeah. Go down and I'll take your picture down here. Look.
Ah. It's okay.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Oh.
I think that trail comes in from the horse trails.
Mm.
But people, they'll bring their tubes down here and they'll start down here on a tube.
Oh,
And
wow.
And the water's deeper.
Yeah.
So clear.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty.
A tiny one.
Oh. Sometimes it's a lot.
Mm.
Have to come after a big rain.
Ah, yeah. Oh, the carb. Where's the my exclusive shower in there?
Yeah, it's not exclusive if you get it out here.
Oh,
You can see it really good.
yeah.
Yeah, sometimes the water is just smooth coming down here. Then on the other side right there, there's a baby in a papoose.
Mm. Baby.
A serpent.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
You see the bow and arrows?
Mm,
The
yeah.
arrows?
Mm.
There's an eagle up top. Oh, this thing. Calmute or whatever.
Mm.
It's like the fire thing, right?
Mm. There. Wow, there's a lot in there.
Yeah.
And it's nice though because he found a perfect place for carving.
Yeah. Imagine just being down here before all those, there probably wasn't steps, there was no bridge.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He had to get down here and carve every day for however long.
But who discovered this place? Like, you know.
He probably just told people he was doing it, maybe.
Mm.
You know, maybe they knew he was doing it. Like to play in that.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a perfect place because there's no stones or big rocks. It's just plain.
Yeah.
And right there you can sit.
And
Oh,
it's not usually a very strong current
yeah.
where you can sit there and it doesn't feel like
I want to go back here in summer.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love it.
But are we allowed to drink while sitting on that river?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, whatever.
Just don't throw the trash.
yeah,
Yeah.
just so, yeah. Keep it clean.
Mm. Oh, I can hear it. From that side. Tommy is there waiting me. They put this one purposely so you can hang this one, hold it from there. It's so high. It's high up. Ah. It's right there. Doesn't look high on the video, but in person it's how high to go up. So you have to hold that rope right there. Smart. That's the one, right?
No, this is the one you see from up top.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that one.
Oh. I just love the sounds of the waterfalls. So it's like a loop around.
Yep.
That's good. It's all about the picture. Bentleyville Road. Ah.
The Italian restaurant here. That's where I thought we could eat right there, 17
17 River.
But there's a
Lemon Falls.
the 17
Nice
River.
little town.
Oh yes.
Oh, look at that Huntington.
I know. They did some movies here, like what do you call it, movies? The
Hallmark movie?
Hallmark movie.
Oh,
yes.
really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They did one here.
How to pronounce chagrin or
Chagrin.
chagrin? Yeah, I like it. Nice little town.
It's busy. Little busy town here. Actually, we'll park and then we'll walk down there.
It's a lot easier.
Um,
It looks clean too.
yeah, it is.
Oh, there, the 17 River.
Yeah. We'll ask if we can sit by the windows.
Oh, somebody, maybe we can. Oh, okay.
Yay!
Oh, are we able there? Okay, that's nice. Wow, it's packed already. 1 o'clock.
Do you actually have to pay?
Oh, wow.
The waterfall we were at just that down that way. There, drink coffee, sit next to the water. But at night they light up somewhere.
It's like in the movie, you're excited to, or you escape and then you just drop dead like zoop. Nice little town in here. I bet a lot of people comes here just because of the falls.
Oh yeah.
I like the color.
Yeah. Want to go down here now?
Oh, I like the staircase. Ah, looks muddy. Came from a height. I like the name, Your Trolley Restaurant.
They have multiple in this area.
Ah, okay.
Did you get spinach?
chili?
Oh,
That's me.
chili.
Thank you.
And sweet potato fry?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's extra plates. Your coleslaw. Ladies, what is going on your check?
Just, can I have more crackers, please? Thank you.
Yo.
That's for spring, right? Yeah. They started spring here. Yeah.
They
Yeah.
went ice fishing last time we come by here. When we were going to Brandywine.
Oh, look at those birds.
Oh, it's getting to be spring.
Yeah.
Look at all the trees you can see. They have the buds on them because they all look like red tops.
Yeah.
We're gonna see leaves pretty soon. Green.
Yeah.
We need some sunny days.
I'm tired of the snow days.
Sunny and warm days. Let's say that. Warm too.
Mm.
Great Lakes Cheese Factory. Humongous.
Yeah.
There's buildings way back there. This place is huge. Lots of people work there from our area.
Okay.
And she
On the
said-
inside or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she said if it's not,
At least you'll be asleep for
Yeah,
that.
that's FedEx.
I'm just gonna.
In the front row. Sure, because it doesn't sound right. But I'm going to ask myself because they all like to play games and talk about it.
There's some side plates to put your shells on. One seafood special.
Oh my. Oh my.
Another seafood special.
Oh. Wow. That's a big platter.
Yes, it is.
Alfredo.
Oh.
Meatball on the side.
Okay. Really good white wine clams. Oh. Nice.